guys, welcome to Maruko's kitchen. Today I will make some Mongolian milk tea. It's a kind of very common everyday drink in Mongolia. When I was in Inner Mongolia, I drink milk tea from every morning to afternoon. Are you ready to do it with me? Let's go. Here are brick tea, milk and rice. Brick tea is a kind of fermented tea. If you can't get it in your country, you can use black tea instead. Prepare a fry pan and make sure there is no water or oil in it. Stir fry the rice in low heat. Keep stir frying until the rice turns brown. Put prepared rice into a tea bag. Then prepare the brick tea. Brick tea is like a brick. It's very hard, so you have to cut and peel it by knife. Then put it into a tea bag. Boil the water. Put the tea bag and rice bag into the boiled water. Turn off the fire. Then take out the tea bag and the rice bag. Pour milk into it. Blend well. Add some salt. Now it's ready. I also prepared a yogurt flake cake to eat with the milk tea. When I lived in Mongolia, I really loved it for breakfast. Next time, I will make another video about how to make Mongolian yogurt flake cake. If you are interested about it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you!